Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today I have a super interesting product from HEQ UAV Tech, and this is a small gimbal for the O3 camera system. They also have a version for Caddx, but you can personalize it, you can probably use it standalone, or what I'm thinking, put the gimbal on a drone, have a camera for flying and have another person controlling the gimbal, so we have a super tiny dual operator drone. Let's open the box and let's see if we can do that. Boom! Oh my god. First of all, there is an instruction manual, and boom, remove the foam and you can already see the super tiny gimbal. You get a thin carbon plate as a base for the gimbal, screws, connectors and silicone dampening grommets. And this finally is the gimbal itself. Super tiny, but all made of aluminum, 70 grams. I don't think we're gonna be able to build a sub 250 grams dual operator drone, but still it's gonna be small, probably at 3.5 inches. It doesn't come with the camera, you have to mount it yourself, but you have the plugs already installed. So here goes the camera, and on the back goes the O3 VTX unit, basically. I'm gonna discover soon if I can put it upright, because looking at the logo, this is meant to swivel on the bottom of a drone. But on FPV drones, it's gonna be a little bit exposed, so I wish it can be put like this. Also, this gimbal doesn't seem to spin 360, it's limited to like 270 degrees yaw spin. It pitches down or up, if you are in this configuration, like 45 degrees, and it goes all the way at the back, another minus 45 on the other side. Probably I'm getting all the angles wrong, but you are seeing where it lands. And on the roll, it goes minus 45 plus 45. It has a lot of connectors for radio control. This is S-Bus, this is PWM, and these two are spare UARTs. And you're gonna be able to control it with S-Bus, PWM or Mavlink. I don't know about the Crossfire protocol, which Crossfire and Express LRS use. I'm gonna check it out and see if it works. And boom, I know it's a big leap forward, but it took me some time to figure everything out. This part, connecting the O3, super easy. Just plug the connector here, plug the connector inside the camera. It takes a little bit of fiddling, but nothing crazy. And there is a bracket to mount the camera with a few screws. There is a link in the description made from the company itself, so it's not hard at all. The hard part for me was updating Express LRS, because I didn't use it in a while, and outputting S-Bus through the Express LRS, which is possible and it works. I burned a couple of receivers because, yeah, the gimbal does not output 5 volts, and you need a separate source for the 5 volts, the ground is common, and then you need to power on the actual gimbal itself. Once this is on a drone, it's gonna be much easier, and you need to program what the gimbal does via the G Port from HEQ software, and you need to assign, you see, channel 2 for pitch, channel 1 for yaw, and channel 8 for reset the gimbal. I'm gonna show you in a second. And then mode, speed mode, basically, I'm gonna show you. This is the Express LRS radio, and it's connected to the gimbal. Look at it. This thing was so hard, but now I figured it out. And then when I press this button, it ohms, wherever it is. And this mode, you turn and it stays, you see? Boom. I'm gonna show you. Also, you can select it with camera upwards. Instead of having undersling, you can have it like this configuration, and it's super easy. You just select here camera upward or downward. I'm gonna show you the angle mode, what it does, right, and restart. Otherwise, okay, it's restarting now. And now this angle mode, it's weird because it always resets, and the more you move the stick, the more it moves. You see? I don't know why it's inverted now, but yeah, I don't think this is the... I mean, if you want to look around and then recenter, I guess it's fine, but I need to use it as a gimbal, so I'm gonna use the speed mode. And I guess there is no adjustment for the speed. I wish there was, but I guess it's fine. You can control the output from the S-bus, so I guess it's fine. And it's low enough, I guess it's not gonna be a problem. And still, wherever you put it, it stabilizes that direction. So very, very nice. Now I'm gonna put it on a drone and see how it goes. And boom, finally it's ready to fly. It was just a matter of taking everything and building it neatly into the drone. I chosen this Pavo 35 because I'm not gonna use O3 on this, but it seems like a nice platform to carry weight. I've not tried flying it yet, but the double control works and the double video stream works without interfering too much because one antenna is at the back and one antenna is right here. Everything is FCC, maximum power, they just go on different channels and they don't seem to interfere too much with each other. The wiring is a bit weird because the gimbal takes maximum 24 volts and the LiPo maximum charge is like 25.5. So I was scared of burning the gimbal, I have only one, and I went the safe route and basically plugged in into 5 of the 6 cells of the 6S battery, so it's not gonna burn out and I'm safe. Probably it's gonna take a 6S, but I don't wanna risk it. You can use it as one operator, you can fly the drone and the gimbal will always keep the forward direction, so it will stabilize like this and stabilize the horizon, but it's more fun to try with 2 operators. And today I have a very skilled FPV pilot right here. Yeah. And she will move the camera and we will try following some chicken. I will try going like this, and if the chicken moves sideways, we have a way of tracking it. I don't know how it's gonna go. Let's try and let's have fun.
Let's try.
What do you think about it?
Yes, I'm curious.
Yeah, she's curious because it should be cool being carried by a FPV drone and being able to look around. Let's see what happens. But before I fly, I need a target. So let's open the chicken. The beautiful chicken coop. Look at this.
Beautiful location.
Yeah. It's the highest standard of build quality. Look at this very high-tech way of not letting the chicken out. Boom. Come on!
Oh! Let's go.
Okay, they will go out eventually, so let's go fly.
Hi, chicken. Chicky.
You moving the camera? Because I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, you will see.
Okay, the drone feels a little bit heavy. I have no idea what's happening with the camera, so you should describe to me what's happening.
We are on the garden.
Yeah, but is the camera stable?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Stable, is good.
Can you move the camera while I'm flying?
Yes, I have a bit headache.
Really?
Yes.
So I know for a fact the chicken were on this way.
Really? I don't see chicken.
Yeah, there is a chicken down there.
One, the black one.
Okay, are you able to track it?
Lolita, yes. Oh, I lose the...
You lost totally the signal, totally?
Lost, yes. I see just...
No!
What happened? Now I see black. What is up?
Okay, did you recover the signal?
Yeah, I see.
I hit a tree because...
okay, perfect.
Okay, I'm coming back and I'm resetting the camera. Are you still able to see?
Yeah, now I see it.
Perfect. Okay, I'm landing on this bench.
Okay.
Okay.
It's amazing.
Is it cool?
Oh, now you're touching.
Yeah, I'm touching you.
You touch me.
Okay.
Okay.
Reset the camera.
Let's try
again. Okay, I see some chicken down there, so...
Maybe we have to change the position.
No, because we have 2 antennas screaming at... Oh! We have 2 antennas screaming at each other. Oh my God.
Okay. Here we are.
It's a little bit unwieldy. Okay, here we are with a very bad start. Okay.
For the chicken.
Okay, we got a chicken down there. Can you see it?
No.
Center the camera. Center the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's all up to you. keep the chicken centered while I'm flying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Can you turn? Are you able to keep the chicken centered?
Yeah. Oh. Where is? I lost the chicken.
Okay, so you cannot go more than right or left.
Where
like
is?
you
Where
can center the camera.
Sorry guys for the chaos that I'm creating.
Center the camera.
Okay. Okay.
Can you follow the chicken now?
Yeah. Now I'm
Okay. What if the chicken goes sideways? What happens? Can you follow it?
Yeah.
Like
now,
this?
Oh, now there is also the black one.
Yeah.
The brown one. It's more difficult than. Okay. Oh!
Whoa! Keep it. I mean, it's centered, but trying to go. Okay.
Oh!
That was fun. Oh my God, the signal!
I lost the signal.
Oh my God!
What happened? What happened?
Oh my God! Okay, that was fun.
Now I will fall down.
What? Can you look down?
Okay. Where I have to look?
Down to us.
Down. Okay.
Look at us.
Yeah.
I want to see how down you can look. And you should probably be able to look up as well.
Yeah. And look up and look down.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, we have other two chicken, the black one and the white.
Where?
Center the camera. Press the button.
Okay, the button. Okay.
Can you see the chicken?
Yeah, the black one. Oh.
Oh! Are you able to track it?
Yeah. Now.
Okay, I want to go sideways to get a sideways shot of a chicken.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try
Wait.
getting the side view of the chicken. The problem is if he goes back there, I am not able to follow it because the signal.
No more signal.
Wow! I passed through the wire there. What happens if I go here? Does the signal? Yeah, the signal is very bad.
Okay.
Yeah, no bueno. Okay. Okay, I guess that's it. I have to say, we have been flying for 5 minutes and the battery is fine. Of course.
My nose.
Yeah, I'm gonna land.
Okay.
How was it?
Very energetic, yes. I feel like I was
There.
yeah,
It's fun.
like flying.
So, impressions on the Hequav Tech G Port Gimbal. This thing, for sure, it was a lot of fun for her as well.
For sure.
I was piloting a drone with a payload on top. I didn't know what was happening. I wish now we could switch sides and she will fly the drone and I will test the gimbal, but
I'm not a pilot, I'm not Rimzler, sorry.
She's not a pilot yet. One day maybe she will be able to stroll me around while I try, because I noticed, I watched the video back and I noticed the gimbal was moving a little bit erratically, and it's not the gimbal, it's just she is not used to moving the stick, precisely. So she was doing this, and sometimes she was a little bit lost in the air. She had a reset button, and sometimes you can see she's resetting it. And I think with a more skilled camera operator or pilot, you can get much smoother moves.
Thank you.
But in her defense, I have to say this gimbal doesn't have a smoothness setting or a speed settings, and I wish they will integrate it in the software because it's needed. You only have one speed, it's the set one, and you don't have smoothing when you are moving it from one place to another. For sure, you can smooth out the channel with a little bit of expo on your sticks on the radio itself. But it will be a very, very nice improvement to make on the stick. So Hequav Tech, I know you're watching this video, make this happen because it's a needed feature for gimbals, especially for cinematic ones. I saw sometimes the roll was not flat. Sometimes when the drone was moving, I saw the roll was a little bit sideways. I trusted the drone into a tree branch, so I don't know if the gimbal was it, but I don't think that's the case. I think maybe some interference, maybe with the camera on the back and stuff, is messing up with the gyro a little bit with the gyro. And the gimbal is not always perfectly horizon, but it's doing a pretty good job at stabilizing. It was incredibly stable, not jello, so
Funny.
very and funny, of course. Very, very nice. And now for use cases of such a tiny platform. First of all, it was much more efficient than I anticipated. If you're 5 minutes, it probably could have gone 6, maybe 7 minutes. I mean, this thing is 100 grams. It weighs as much as a GoPro, which is not bad at all. Oh my god. I'm inviting you.
I'm just saying I'm sorry.
She just came back from travel. She didn't sleep,
yesterday I was in Egypt, so
No.
I'm sorry, jet lag, 1 hour.
She has a little bit of jet lag, let's say. And so with this good battery life, you can do a lot with this gimbal. You can use it for video production. Of course, the O3 camera is not the best, but since it's modular and it has a bracket, they can probably update it for the O4 that's coming out very soon, and that has a very, very good image quality. So I don't know, maybe you are following a car and someone is flying the drone and someone is turning around. Exactly. We need to find a better way of not showing the drone propellers, because this camera is pretty wide angle, so when you turn you can see sometimes a little bit of the drone, and it doesn't tilt a lot down. I placed it a lot forward so it doesn't show the drone too much, but I mean, I wish it could go a little bit more down. Maybe putting the camera down here would be better, but then you cannot have it pointing forward, so you have to choose what kind of shoot you have to make. Another use case that comes in my mind is live streaming. I mean, this is probably one of the smallest platforms you have a gimbal on, and you can track people or the subjects while live streaming 180p. Of course, if you remove the gimbal, you will have much tinier drones, but I think having the ability to track something is super cool for that application. I'm always talking about niche applications, and I'm curious if you may think about other stuff this will be needed for or cool for. It's very nice to see innovation coming into the FPV miniaturization, seeing stuff get light and portable, so we have the choice to put it on a drone or not. And I think that when Hequav made this drone, they were not thinking about FPV drones, because they have a big wing and they hang this gimbal on the bottom of it, and also they use it on regular moving drones, not FPV ones. But I can see it makes a ton of sense on FPV drones like this. And that's it for today. Remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know if you like this gimbal, if you like the idea and what tool you use it for. Also, if you have other ideas for us to try, or maybe for a little better gimbal operator.
I need some
Yeah, maybe we need to train a little bit before doing another video, but you saw the first flight, so it was a pretty straight up opinion and experience from us. If you want to buy something, remember to click on the links down in the description below, and as always, stay safe and happy flying. You know that.
Yeah.
Close it.
Bye!
Bye!